Alright, y'all. Today we're going to be taking a room tour of room 507 at Courtyard Marriott, Fort Meade in Jessup, Maryland. Alright, so starting off with the bathroom. This is the bathroom. That's the bathtub. That's the shower. There's the toilet. That's the sink. And that's the light fixture. And that's the mirror. There's the coffee machine. There's the refrigerator. Yep. This is what our room looks like. Yep. There's the TV. There's the light fixture. Another light fixture. There's the AC unit. There's our beds. And there's a chair right there. There's some space to do some work. And these are our shelves. We're not going to go through these. There's stuff I don't want to be shown on to you guys. So, yep. Overall, this is a nice room, I'd have to say. That's the fire alarm. It's an EST Genesis fire alarm. There's the AC thingy. And this room's pretty nice, to be honest. And, yep. This will be room 507 at Courtyard Marriott and Jessup, Maryland by BWI Airport. Thanks for watching. Like, video, and subscribe. Have a good day, and bye.